Hi, Dr. Ken Starr with the Wellness Group in Arroyo Grande. I wanted to take a few minutes and answer the question for patients or prospective patients, why Suboxone? This question comes up with family members. Why Suboxone? Why don't you just detox off of opiates? Why put them on a synthetic or substitute opiate? For a lot of people, it just doesn't make sense why you would do that. You're just trading gin for whiskey or whiskey for bourbon. Like, there's no sense. Let me take a minute to explain to you why in addiction medicine we do that. For somebody who's in the active cycle of addiction, right? They're popping pills or shooting heroin, their entire existence, every second of the day is who is going to answer the phone? Where can I get my next fix? Do I have enough money? Can I go out of town this weekend? Oh, I'm running out. I mean, it's exhausting. The cycle of using is exhausting. It takes up 110% of their ATP and their energy and their brain. They can't be present as a father. They can't be present as an employee. They can't do anything successfully because they are focused on using. Here now comes along a medicine you could take once a day that stabilizes everything. Their dopamine level stabilized, the craving stabilized. They don't have relapse. They feel good. And now they can step back and participate in counseling, in a program, in groups, in therapy, and start to learn what their addiction's about. But you can't do that in somebody who's actively in withdrawal or actively craving. Okay, that's what they hear. Okay, so you give somebody buprenorphine, they're okay. And now their world opens to, wow, I feel okay. Because don't forget, they need that certain amount of opiate to feel normal. Okay, not to get high, but just to get by. Now, as their life gets better and jobs becomes more satisfying, and they start seeing these accomplishments and they start learning these tools, that dose of buprenorphine can come down with time. That's why we use Suboxone or buprenorphine in the treatment of opiate dependence. It's not that we just want to substitute another opiate. It's that you need to stabilize that dopamine and that chemistry so people can step back and learn the tools of recovery. And we know now you just can't detox them because they relapse. Over 90% of the time they relapse, okay? That's not good because these patients now are relapsing and dying. So that's why. So I would encourage you, if you or your family member has an active opiate addiction, I would be very open to learning about buprenorphine or Suboxone products. There's strips, there's implantable devices, there's subcutaneous shots that last a month. Hope that answers your question. Please subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on what's going on in the world of addiction medicine. Shoot me a message if you have questions, comments below. Thank you.